The National Weather Service in Huntsville has issued a flash flood warning for northern Limestone County in north-central Alabama, Colbert County in northwestern Alabama, northwestern Franklin, Alabama County in northwestern Alabama, Lauderdale County in northwestern Alabama, northwestern Lawrence County in northwestern Alabama, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:59 p.m. are indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts up to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Florence, Muscle Shoals, Russellville, Sheffield, Tuscumbia, Red Bay, Rogersville, Ardmore, Killen, Town Creek, Cherokee, Libreville, Lexington, Layton, St. Florian, Underwood, Pettersville, Bowgreen, Elkmont, Vina, and Anderson. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.